Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Wick Discord. First, you'll need to invite the Wick bot to your server. Make sure to grant administrator permissions during the invitation process, as this ensures it can perform all its essential functions. After adding the bot, navigate to the Wick dashboard on its official website. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize its powerful moderation features for your community. Next, let's dive into basic moderation. Enable key modules such as anti-spam and anti-raid to protect your server from common threats. It's crucial to designate a dedicated moderation log channel. This channel will receive all alerts and actions taken by Wick, providing a clear overview. You can also adjust punishment thresholds, determining how Wick responds to different levels of rule breaking, from warnings to temporary mutes or kicks. Now, let's explore Wick's advanced protection features. You can implement sophisticated filters to detect and remove suspicious links or specific disallowed words, keeping your chat clean. Configure robust raid protection settings, such as limiting new joins or requiring a verification step for new members. This helps prevent large-scale attacks and ensures only legitimate users can access your server, maintaining a safe and welcoming environment for everyone. Finally, let's talk about customization and role management. You can define trusted roles, such as administrators or moderators, which will be exempt from certain moderation checks. This prevents accidental actions against your staff. Additionally, create custom commands to streamline server operations or provide quick information. Remember to regularly review and adjust Wick settings to ensure it continues to meet the evolving needs of your community effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.